Hi friends, welcome to smartkitprojects.com. As you can see, the name of this project is RFID based toll plaza on the LCD. Now I am going to tell you what are the components we have used to make this project. Now as you can see on the right hand side, this is the motor which is used as a gate, and this is a motor driver circuit. This is a LCD. This is a 8051 microcontroller over here. This black color chip is buzzer. This is a power supply, EM18 RF module reader, 4 buttons and a reset button. So I am going and the most importantly RF tags. These are the RF tags which we are going to use. Now for an example, the LCD is showing the message swipe the card. Now I will swipe the first card. As you can see, this is an invalid card and it is not accepted by the system, so it will not open the gate, as you can see. So I will keep this aside for now. Now I will use this RF card. I will swipe it. It has a predefined balance of 40 rupees. So once I have used this card, the amount of 20 gets deducted, as is the minimum charge for the toll right now. See, as you can see, the gate opens and the card passes from here, and then the gate closes again. Now the remaining, to check the remaining balance, I will use this card again. See, it has detected that this is a user 1 and an amount of 20 rupees has been deducted again. So the balance is 0 as this is shown in the LCD. Now the gate opens once again, and now for an example, let's take this as a car. The car passes from here and the gate closes again. Now again, if I want to check whether this accepts or not, so again I'll try to swipe this card. Now you can see it has shown that it has an insufficient balance, please recharge. So there are options, as you can see here, S100, S280, S360 and S440. So for now I will select S4 to recharge the card and the gate will open because this card was swiped once. So now the gate will open, balance 20 because 20 rupees got deducted when this gate opens. Now again the gate will close. This time you can set as per your requirement of opening and closing the gate. Now I will swipe the card again. And now the balance will be 0 because I recharged the card for 40 rupees and I used it twice. So as you can see, the balance is 0. So the system is working perfectly right now. The gate has been opened and now it will close accordingly when the card passes. Now again if I swipe the card, and this time I will select, see it has shown insufficient balance, buzzer has rang as usual. Now the option will be given to me of how many rupees do I want to recharge. So this time I'll select 100 rupees, recharge of 100 as you can see on the LCD. Now again this card has been recharged for rupees 100. So in this process, RF tag card can be used multiple times, unlimited times as I can say, and it can be recharged and used again and again for this system. Now as the card was swept, this gate will open and close again. So this was a simple demonstration how RF tags can be used in the toll plaza. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day and warm welcome from smartkitprojects.com. Please subscribe. Thank you.